If you keep waiting to feel motivated, stop. You're not broken, your brain's just using the wrong fuel. For AuDHD minds, motivation isn't about willpower, it's about why now. If something feels boring, pointless, or too big, our dopamine engine just stalls. That's not failure, that's wiring. So instead of waiting to feel ready, give your brain a reason to care. Shrink the task, add novelty, set a tiny countdown, create urgency without panic. You don't need to fix your motivation, you just need to spark it in your own language.